A cabin air filter cleans incoming air, removing dust, pollen, and pollutants for healthier driving. My today's video is about top 5 best car cabin air filter that's available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Forccord car cabin air filter. This air filter kit is a great all-in-one solution for maintaining both engine performance and cabin air quality in compatible Toyota, Scion, and Pontiac models. Designed with precise fitment, it installs easily without damaging original components, making it ideal even for DIY users. The advanced HV filter paper delivers impressive performance, capturing up to 99.9% of dust, hair, and other impurities. The engine air filter offers up to 20,000 miles of use, about 200 longer than standard filters, while the cabin filter lasts up to 30 longer, ensuring cleaner air inside the vehicle for extended periods. It also helps eliminate common issues like musty odors, weak airflow, and unusual engine noise, improving overall driving comfort. With durable construction and long service life, this combo pack provides excellent value and reliable protection for both your engine and HVAC system. Now our second product is KAX car cabin air filter. The KAX cabin and engine air filter kit is a smart, convenient solution for maintaining both engine efficiency and interior air quality. Designed for a wide range of Toyota and Lexus models, it ensures reliable compatibility and a precise fit. This 2-in-1 combo includes both filters in one package, saving time and eliminating the need for separate purchases. Installation is quick and simple, taking just a few minutes, making it perfect for easy DIY maintenance. What sets this kit apart is its double protection system. The use of coconut shell activated charcoal effectively removes odors, while the multi-layer filtration design captures dust and pollutants, ensuring cleaner cabin air and improved engine performance. By replacing both filters together every 12 months or 12,000 miles, users can maintain optimal performance and reduce long-term maintenance costs. Overall, it's a practical, cost-effective, and efficient upgrade for any vehicle owner. Our third product is Vinms car cabin air filter. This engine air filter is a reliable replacement option for Chevy Equinox and GMC Terrain models from 2018 to 2024. Designed to match OEM specifications, it fits well and installs, making it suitable for quick DIY maintenance. The filter uses high-fiber filter paper with a fine filtration layer, effectively capturing dust and debris without restricting airflow. This balance helps maintain strong engine performance while keeping internal components clean. Its large dust-holding capacity also means longer service life and fewer replacements. The product comes with clear part number references, making it easier to confirm compatibility before purchase. Additionally, the 1-year warranty and responsive customer support provide extra peace of mind. Overall, it's a dependable and cost-effective choice for maintaining engine efficiency, offering solid filtration performance and durability for everyday driving conditions. Now number 4, KN car cabin air filter. The KN Advantage Plus air filter is a well-built and reliable choice for maintaining engine health and performance. Constructed with durable, premium materials, it is designed to withstand extended use and deliver consistent results over time. One of its key advantages is its extended service life of up to 18,000 miles, offering about 50 longer usage compared to standard 12,000-mile filters. This reduces the frequency of replacements, making maintenance more convenient and cost-effective. With up to 99% filtration efficiency, it effectively traps dust and contaminants while maintaining smooth airflow to the engine, helping ensure strong performance and protection. Suitable for normal highway driving conditions, it provides long-lasting reliability with minimal hassle. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty, this filter offers added confidence and peace of mind. Overall, it's a solid upgrade for drivers looking for durability, efficiency, and longer service intervals. And our last choice is RVgolf car cabin air filter. This air filter set is a reliable maintenance upgrade for Honda Civic and HR-V models with 2.0L naturally aspirated engines. It offers precise compatibility across multiple model years, ensuring a proper fit when selected correctly. The high-efficiency engine air filter uses a dense fiber structure that captures up to 99% of airborne impurities, helping protect the engine and maintain strong performance. The cabin air filter adds multi-layer filtration, effectively trapping dust and other particles to create a cleaner and healthier in-car environment. Its low-resistance design improves airflow efficiency while also helping reduce engine noise and vibration. The cabin filter further supports quieter AC operation, enhancing overall driving comfort. With easy installation and clear reference numbers for confirmation, replacement is straightforward even for beginners. Overall, this kit delivers solid filtration performance, improved air quality, and convenient maintenance for long-term vehicle care. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.